I can see myself in the mirror.
What mirror?
The bathroom mirror.
Oh, you got it good now?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you sure?
No?
Ooh. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Emma and I do videos on fashion and lifestyle and mom thing. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a nursery tour. As you can tell, we're in Avery's nursery. If you don't know who Avery is, this is my daughter Avery. This is just Avery's nursery. I kind of wanted to go with like a softer pinky boho themed nursery, and I did a lot of DIY things in the nursery, so let's get started. Okay, so we are outside Avery's room right now. And the first thing we have is this little ultrasound from her 20-week ultrasound. We used to have it in our bedroom, but then we moved. I didn't have a place to put it in our new bedroom, so I just kind of smacked it in there. This is like a $2 ring from the dollar store. And then this is Avery's door. So I got this little round wooden doodad from Michael's, and then I painted her name on it myself. I was stressing so hard. This is for her newborn pictures, which were supposed to be in the hospital. She was not born in the hospital. That's a whole new story though. So I painted this before she was born, and we knew she was a girl, but I was so stressed that like they had told us the wrong gender and that I wasn't gonna have the correct name painted, and I contemplated writing our like boy name on another circle as a backup just in case Avery came out as a boy, but she came out as a girl, and I spent forever painting this, and then I thought it looked really cute on her door. And then this is leftovers, you'll see in a second, but this is from her mobile. I made this. I'll talk more about it when we go look at her mobile, but let's head inside her room. The first thing in her room is his dresser. It was Ryland's mom's dresser when she was a baby. All of Ryland's siblings used it. Yeah, so all of Ryland's siblings used it, and then the first grandkid used it, Avery's cousin, and now Avery gets to use it, which is really cute. I asked Ryland's mom if I was able to spruce it up a bit, and she said yes. So it was white beforehand, but then I painted it with like a really nice, like kind of off-white, creamy white. That makes sense, that's a lot of white. Anyways, it's a matte finish, and I think that just makes things look really clean. And then on the inside, I painted the inside of the drawers the same pink as her crib is, which you'll see in a second. And then to top it off, I got some new knobs because they were just wooden knobs beforehand. So I got these nice gold brass knobs from Home Depot or something like that. And then on top of her dresser, I got this cute little rattan decorative circly thingy. I don't know. I talk about it in my Amazon's Find video, so if you want, I'll link that down below. And then I found some other little things, so like this little really subtle white rose quartz little single candle holder, which I thought was cute. And then also this vase I got from IKEA. And then I did that whole TikTok trend where you mix some paint and baking soda together to get that clay finish, and actually turned out really well. And then I also got these bunny tails from Amazon. It's the same video as the rattan hangy thingy video, so I'll definitely link that. And then over here, this little Avery puzzle is super duper cute. These all come out. This is a Christmas gift for Avery. It took 2 months to get here from Ukraine, but it finally made it here. And then I put the little stand just on the little bunny right here that was given to Avery when she was born from Lucia, which I thought was super cute. And then this vase I found from Valley Village, and I just got some paint and I painted it. And then I found some pampas and I just threw those in there. And then over here, this big unit is a change table. This was used on all of Ryland's siblings as well, or most of Ryland's siblings as well. He has a lot of siblings. So I did the same thing. I painted it with the same white that I used on the dresser, and then I got matching knobs. So this is the same brand as the knobs that I got for the dresser. And then we have a change pad, and then Ryland's mom was kind enough to sew the cover for us. You can't really see it on camera, I'm assuming it's pretty faded, but it's got really faint little daisies on them. Can you see it? You can't see, but it's really faint little like baby's breath kind of flowers looking. They're cute, okay? Trust us on that. And then above her dresser, or her change table, Ryland and I stole this from Etsy. Etsy, they were charging a lot of money for prints, so then we decided to kind of make our own and customize it to the exact colors in Avery's room. So we did that, and I literally just went and got those photos printed at like a London Drugs kind of scenario, and then I just got the frames from IKEA. It was super inexpensive in comparison. It only cost me like 40 bucks, when in reality that would have cost like 100 bucks. And then underneath here, this is like one of my favorite finds ever. I got this basket at a Home Sense and it just happened to match the same pink of Avery's crib, which you'll see in a second. But we do cloth diapers with Avery, so I throw all her cloth diaper materials in there, and then we have all her change stuff in here. These baskets down below I got from IKEA. Yeah, IKEA. And I just threw like all her old swallows and blankets in there. We don't really use them that much. But I don't really care if she pulls them out. It's not really a big deal to have to throw a bunch of blankets back in a basket. And then I guess if you look down on the ground here, I got this big nice rug. I actually found it on Facebook Marketplace. I got it for like 50 bucks. It's definitely way more expensive than that, but it's from Urban Outfitters. It's really cute. It's actually a lot softer than I thought. It's got some tassels on the end, and I thought it just made it a little bit more cozy in here so she didn't have just straight hardwood in her room, which I like. And then if we look over at the windows here, I have these curtains that hang from the top of her window down below. She's got like a huge window. She looks out into our patio. But if you look close, they're super cute because they have these little designs on them. It was quite the hassle getting these curtains because I had to buy the curtains and then the curtain rods and then the holders for the rods. So I thought, oh, you buy a curtain rod, you buy the little hooks, and that's that, and it comes in a pack of 2. I got home, turns out they only come in a pack of 1, and I just didn't read the sign correctly. Do you want to sit down and play? So anyways, I had successfully gotten one up, and then I realized I missed some, so then I made Riley drive all the way back to IKEA at like 8:30 at night right before they closed to get another hook because I was insistent that these curtains were going to be up. And then over here, this corner is kind of empty. I don't really know what to do with it. I don't want her room to look too cluttered, but at the same time, I feel like it's a little empty. I was thinking about maybe getting like a tall standing lamp in the corner or something. I'm not too sure. I don't really want anything hanging else from the ceiling because we have her mobile right here. If you have any ideas, please comment down below. I need help. And of course, the main attraction of Avery's room is her crib. So we found this crib for free on Facebook Marketplace. It was such a good find. It's from IKEA. It's like a 2-level crib. It's originally white. I wanted to paint it, so this is the same paint that's inside her dresser drawers, and it like matches the basket on her change table. Hey, eyes up here. So I painted her crib. However, I was like 8.5 months pregnant when I was painting her crib. I was hardcore nesting at that point. So I thought, oh yeah, painting a crib won't be that big of a deal. And then I realized that each bar has to be painted. And then it also has to be painted from the inside because you see the inside from the other side. You can imagine 8-month pregnant Emma. Rylan was on a call with like his buddies and he had headphones in so he couldn't hear me. So let's just demonstrate. You curl up, let's recreate what it was like when you're in my belly. 8-month pregnant Emma was just, okay, we're done. Okay, anyways, 8-month pregnant Emma had to like crawl under the crib. Rylan had to lift it up and let me in, and I just sat in there for like the entirety of a movie just painting inside of each bar and everything. And then I got stuck there for a while because he couldn't hear me, and I left my phone outside of the crib, so I just was stuck for a while. I had to call him forever, and then he finally heard me. Her crib, I painted it like a pink color. It's also matte. I just find it looks a little bit cleaner when you're painting things DIY. I think it just gives it a really nice finish, and it usually hides imperfections a lot better than like a glossy or semi-glossy finish does. And then in her crib, we just have plain white sheets that I got from IKEA. They come in packs of 2. Over in the corner, these obviously come out when she takes a nap. They're literally just for decoration because I'm extra, but there's these cute little pillows. I had the pillow inserts and I was going to get rid of them, and then I found these cute covers that have little tassels on them, so I got that. And then in her crib, this is just her sleep sack that she just sleeps in. Are you making a mess? Yeah. So this is her mobile. This is like my prized possession. I can't believe I pulled this off. See, Avery even thinks so too. So I found the idea on Pinterest, I think. I saw all these really cute rainbow mobiles, and as you can tell, that's kind of like the theme of Avery's room. But they're so expensive, and I was like, this is ridiculous. I can make that. So I went to Michael's, got a bunch of supplies, just got some string. This is actually an embroidery ring, I'm pretty sure, whatever it's called. And then I just got a bunch of rope. I can talk more about it in a different video if you want, but I made all the little pom-poms. I like made everything from scratch, and I am super duper proud of it. Not gonna lie, we lived in an old apartment and we weren't allowed to hang things, and I wasn't allowed to hang a mobile above her crib, and that was like, there was a lot of other stuff that happened before then, but when we were told we couldn't hang a mobile above of our baby's crib, I was like, that's it, we're moving. I was like, I spent so long on this, I want to hang it up. So that was like the turning point, and that was like the first thing I put up when we moved here. And then we go over here. So in this corner is Avery's little like book nook. We got these shelves just from IKEA. They're super easy to put up. Actually, that's a lie. That took quite a while now that I think about it. It was straightforward. It was just like a lot of measuring to make sure things were straight. But these are all the books that she's either been gifted or I found at thrift stores or I've bought for her. I love books. Books are like the best present ever because like you can never have too many books. And then I have, if you come over onto this side here, I have like clear bookends so you can still see the books so they're still visible. I really like that, and they're not falling over on her in her sleep, which I thought was very important. Safety first. I have this really cute little marble, it's actually a jewelry box, but it has an A on it. I didn't have any other purpose for it. It's really heavy, so I put it up on her bookshelf for now because I didn't know what else to do with it. I kind of used it as a bookend. I thought it was kind of cute, and she doesn't really have any cute jewelry to put in it yet. And then I found this cute little A, also, this is from HomeSense, and this cute little A was also from HomeSense. And then I found this cute little baby basket. Where from, you might ask? Oh yeah, HomeSense. And I just put all her little hats and bow accessories in here. We just grabbed them really easily. And then underneath, I have her new edition little sun hat. I just have on like a little hook, so I put her little sun hat there. Come down here. And then in here, I got this basket. What do you think it's from, Ryan?
HomeSense.
Your daddy's so smart. I got this basket from HomeSense. I was so pumped about it, but it's like a sturdy basket. So I threw all her little like baby blankets. She got gifted a lot of baby blankets. And then over here is our good friend Larry the llama. Avery's a little scared of him, to be completely honest. Oh!
Yeah. What are you doing?
Okay, and then the last thing is this little picture that was made for us by Ryland's cousins. This is a gift when Avery was born. Jordan, she asked us what the theme colors were of Avery's room, so I told her and she incorporated it. She also asked me what my favorite animal was, and I told her giraffes I thought were really cute in nursery, so she graphically designed this, and I think it's so adorable. She incorporated all the colors and got her little giraffes, and then up in the corner it says Cole family, established 2020, and I think that's the cutest thing ever. I thought that was a cute little touch, and it comes in like this beautiful frame. She nailed it. And Austin. Shout out to Austin too. Okay, so then Avery's closet, last thing. So if you come look closely, I have all these baskets that if you watch my closet organizing video, I had all these baskets in my closet originally. And then I thought they would look really cute in Avery's closet, so I just have some of her old clothes and random things that I need to organize through, honestly. And then here I have this bar that I bought. I think I also mentioned that in my Amazon's video. Definitely go check that out. So I added that because then I can have more than one row for clothing for her. I found these little baby hangers at HomeSense. I bought black thinking I was being so smart. I was like, there was pink and blues and beige and purples, and I was like, no, I'm gonna get black because black is gonna be the easiest to find always. Oh, thank you for pulling your laundry out of the hamper. So helpful. Awesome. Thank you. Every single time, I haven't found black in months now. And then I also bought black because we have black hangers. So I was like, oh, perfect. She can have the exact same hangers with us. But then I bought new hangers, as you probably saw if you watched my closet organization video. I got new velvet ones that were like a creamy ivory color. So now I want to buy her ivory ones because she also doesn't have enough hangers at the moment. But there's my rant. I got all her little like coats and stuff over here and snowsuits, and then over here I have, obviously as you can tell, it's color organized, so like all her tops and dresses and rompers and stuff are all hanging out here. Come down here, I have a big bin of all the clothes that she once fit that I'm keeping, and then we have a little baby memorabilia box down here. I will not open it because she will get into it for sure. And then the last thing, I just ran out of room in her bedroom. I didn't want it to be too crowded, so this was gifted to us by Ryland's grandparents when Avery was born, and it just has all her things like her birthday and how much she weighed and stuff, which I thought was super cute. But yeah. And then obviously this is Avery's laundry hamper. Okay, so that is it for my little boho nursery tour where I show you all my DIY hacks, how I made my nursery a little bit more upscale on a budget, because that is very important to me. Obviously, I don't want to be going on, you know what? If you want to spend $2,000 on a bassinet and a crib and all this stuff, you do you. Personally, it kind of hurts my soul because like she's not going to be in this stuff forever, and I find it's kind of like a fun hobby for me to see how bougie I can make something look for so little price. Like I love boasting about how I have this really cute crib that I spent $15 on paint for, and I still have like half a can of paint, so like technically it only cost me like $7.50 kind of thing. Like I love that. And I also really love that like her, especially her dresser, but her change table too, has been passed on in generations from Ryland's family. I think that's so sweet. If you want any advice on specifically how I did some things, I always have words with that. I always say I don't know if I just like have like a tiny bit of a lisp, or it's just like my big lips getting in the way. I don't really know, but I always have a problem with that word, so don't judge me. I know I say it wrong. Anyways, if you need any tips on how I did certain things, feel free to message me or comment down below, and I can do dedicated videos if you want. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please give it a big thumbs up. That will really help support my channel. Also, if you want to subscribe and stick around, I would love to see you again. And if you're really, really keen, don't forget to hit the post notifications button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.